A digital twin is a virtual representation or digital replica of a physical object, system, or process. It is a comprehensive and dynamic model that mimics the physical entity in real time or near real time, capturing its characteristics, behavior, and interactions with the environment. The digital twin is created by integrating data from various sources, including sensors, IoT devices, simulations, and historical records. Digital twins enable a deeper understanding, analysis, and optimization of the physical counterpart. By continuously collecting and processing data from the physical entity, the digital twin provides a wealth of information that can be used for monitoring, analysis, prediction, and decision-making. The digital twin serves as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. It allows users to interact with and explore the virtual representation to gain insights, test hypotheses, and simulate scenarios without directly affecting the physical entity. Changes or events in the physical world can be reflected in the digital twin, and the impact of potential actions or interventions can be evaluated beforehand. Digital twins find applications in various industries and domains. In manufacturing, they can represent individual machines or entire production lines, facilitating predictive maintenance, optimization, and quality control. In the energy sector, digital twins can simulate and optimize the performance of power plants, renewable energy systems, or smart grids. In healthcare, digital twins can aid in personalized medicine, treatment planning, and virtual patient monitoring. The value of digital twins lies in their ability to enhance operational efficiency, improve decision-making, reduce costs, and drive innovation. They empower organizations to better understand and manage their physical assets, systems, and processes in a virtual environment. As technologies like IoT, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence continue to advance, digital twins are becoming increasingly sophisticated and are expected to play a significant role in shaping the future of industries and smart cities. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.